Hello, everybody. It's another time for diction and it's with Teacher Didion. Today we will be learning two vowel sounds. So at the end of this lesson, I expect you to know how to pronounce the sounds, mention examples of words with the sounds, and you should be able to apply these words in sentences. So quickly, let's learn. Now, our first sound for today is a short vowel sound, and the sound is ah. I'll take it again. Ah. Now let's make the sound together. Ah. Good. And our second sound for today is a long vowel sound, and the sound is R. I'll take it again. R. Now let's make the sound together. R. Good. Now our first sound is a short vowel sound and is the short sound of the letter A. So this sound is often heard in words with letter A. Examples are ant, bag, man, sat, candle, plan. Now the long sound R is often heard in words with a R. March, card, mark, garden. It is also heard in words with a L. Calm, palm, half, some. Now sometimes the letter A makes the sound R, as in father, glass, dance, pass. Other words examples you have aunt, heart, and many more words as you can mention. Now we will be comparing some words with the sound ah with some words with the sound R. They can be confusing at times and you can misplace the pronunciation. So let's quickly see those words. Cat, cart, pat, part, hat, hard, fat, fought, arm. Good. Now our sentences for today are: don't pass the glass in class. The cat sat by an aunt on the sun. My father's arm is hard. I have a black bag. March through the garden path. And many more sentences as you can make on your own. Now always remember, the best way to speak right is by applying your diction. We've come to the end of our lesson today. I'll see you some other time. Thank you for listening. Bye-bye.